Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a Hyundai Elantra. This is a 2014 model. I'm gonna change the motor mount because it's vibrating a lot. I don't know if you can see the steering wheel vibrate in the video. You probably can't, but if you hold it, put the car in drive, you'll feel it vibrate. And worse when you put more load on the engine like the AC, vibrate even more. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the motor mount, the right front motor mount. Okay, so let's open the hood. Alright, so guys, if your car look like this, it's gonna be the same no matter if it's 2013, 2015 or 14, which this one is 14, I think. And this is the mount right here. It's very easy to take out, so not a lot of work right here. So what you want to do is get a jack with a plyboard on top. Okay, so yeah guys, I got a jack right here, that right there, and I'm gonna put this directly underneath the engine oil pan. This is to prevent damage to the oil pan, so that's why I put that right here. Okay, and this step is a must, so alright, so there you go, right there. I know I have the plastic underneath, but I gauge where the engine is, so I know I push the jack there. And if I jack up right here, you can see the engine go up. See? So you just want to get the pressure off the mount. Alright, so that should be good enough. And we're gonna remove the mount. So right here is gonna be 17 millimeter. Alright, on all these three right here. These are, it's gonna probably be 15 or 14. So alright, so this is 17 millimeter for all these, which I showed you already, and these three are gonna be 14 millimeter. Okay, so let's get to changing the mount. Notice the engine go down a little bit. You can go ahead and just jack it up some. Get it back level. I jacked it up first, but I guess I didn't jack it up enough, so let's put it right here. And also take out those 14 millimeter. Alright, so I got my mount right here. I'll put a link in the description for where you can get the mount, okay? Get that out. What I will do is get this also. Get this, put it over here. You can see where the these line up right here. This line up to a hole in there, alright? You can get that, you can just get one nut put on it. Don't tighten it all the way down. Put it right here. Alright. sometimes the engine might shift a little bit, but you can just hold it and bring it back into place. All right, you can just hold it like this, bring it back into place like that, and catch up all your nuts. All right, so you want to go ahead and catch all your bolts and nut before you do any tighten up. All right, so I catch all mine and I'm going to tighten them up. So after that, tighten all that, you wanna pull lower the jack and pull out your jack. So that's it, guys. That's how you change your motor mount. Thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.